students, we'll be studying the topic dispersion of light. Okay. We have studied reflection, we have studied refraction, we are going to study dispersion. We have studied reflection in case of mirrors, refraction in case of lenses, and dispersion we'll be studying in case of prism. Okay. It is also, prism is also made up of glass, okay, and experiment can be carried out. Just you pass a white light, okay, it will be incident on the prism. It has got different angles, okay. Naturally, you will be seeing that, yes, after that, this white light, when it comes from the other side of the prism, okay, we can see that it consists of 7 colors. That is what? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Okay. Have you seen a rainbow? Okay. I think so all the students might have seen. What have you seen in the rainbow? It consists of number of colors. 7 colors it consists of. Isn't it? Why does this rainbow occur in the sky? Okay. After the rain, when the sun is seen, we can see a clear rainbow in the sky. Why this happens? Actually, the white light coming from the sun, okay, strikes the raindrops. And here these raindrops are acting as tiny prism. What happens once the light strikes the raindrop? It gets splits into 7 colors, okay, which you see it as rainbow. And when it is splitting, there are number of raindrops in the environment, isn't it? Or in all the raindrops, you will be seeing what? The splitting of the light. As the result, what happens? The whole rainbow looks as in a continuous form, and you see it and it looks so beautiful, isn't it? And that is due to dispersion of light. As the white light enters these raindrops, which is acting as tiny prism, this white light gets split into its 7 colors, okay, thereby forming the rainbow. Okay. Actually, when we are talking about the white light consists of all these 7 colors. Okay. Again I am saying it is what? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Okay. These colors all together forms what? White light. Okay. This also can be seen. How? First, we have seen that yes, the light is entering the prism. Okay. And then it is being split up into 7 colors, forming this what? This 7 colors. Okay. Where the 7 colors are formed, it is known as what? Spectrum. Okay. Just remember that also. So these 7 colors, when it passes, this white ray, when it passes, it splits into 7 colors. Okay. And these, again, if we take an inverted prism, okay, after this straight prism only. So we are seeing after dispersion of this white light, okay, dispersion of this light into 7 colors, we see that yes, when these 7 colors enters this inverted prism, what happened? They unite or combine and they come out as what? White ray or white light. Okay, so it is clear from this that yes, if only one prism straight light enters it and gets dispersed into 7 colors forming a spectrum, while when we are taking another prism which is inverted beside it, what happens? These 7 colors, when it enters that prism, okay, it combines to form a white light. Okay, so this white light can be split up into 7 colors, and these 7 colors can form only one color, that is the white light. Okay, so this is what the dispersion of light, splitting off of white light into its 7 different colors after passing through the prism is known as what? Dispersion of light. Okay, so here in this, experiments with prism can be done. Okay, or students, if you can make a disc, that disc is known as what? A Newton's disc. Okay, and just it should be round total. Okay, now This experiment can be performed at home also. Okay, take a cardboard, cut it into a round shape, okay, and then just color it with 7 different colors, okay. 7 different colors, okay, and just fix it with a stand and rotate it. First you are seeing the 7 colors, rotate it, okay. You will be seeing that yes, whole thing, you will be not seeing all the 7 colors, you will be seeing white color when it is rotating too fast, okay. Likewise, one more experiment you can see. Take a disc or this CD, okay, or we can say a disc, okay, and just place it facing the sun. You will be seeing 7 different colors on the disc, okay. This is due to dispersion of light, okay. So this is all about dispersion of light, okay. Hope you might have understood it. Good day, take care.